how to make a ball bearing and inventor. Okay. First off, we're going to start with the ball. Okay. It's the simplest one to make, so it gives me plenty of room to start a project. Now, to start a project, we go to the projects folder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit new single user project, hit next. I'm going to find where I want my project. Now I've already created a folder called project. I'm going to hit OK, hit finish, and done. Our project's created. This just makes things simpler farther down the road. Now the next thing to do is to open a sketch. Okay, we want to go with a standard IPT. Basically what an IPT stands for is an inventor part. So we'll go ahead and OK that. Alright, now that we have our sketch open, the next thing we want to do is we basically want to sketch the part. So to sketch a ball, most people would draw a circle. So that's what we'll go ahead and do. I'm going to go with a 0.45 circle. Okay. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take a line. I'm going to bisect the circle, basically cutting it in half. I'm going to come up to trim and get rid of one side. Okay. Now I'm done with the sketch. So I can come over here to the right side and hit finish sketch. Now I should be at the model ribbon. Okay. We want to hit extrude. Oh, no, we don't. Never mind. I'm sorry. We want to hit revolve. Now, because this is the only sketch available, it automatically selects the only profile. So all we have to do is select the axis. And boom, we have a ball. We're going to hit OK. Now we're not done, because technically this ball isn't made out of anything. So we need to make it out of stainless steel. And when I think of steel, or a ball bearing anyway, I think of a shiny reflective surface. So we're going to have to give it that surface on its own. When we select stainless steel, it's not going to give it that reflective shiny surface. So I'm going to come down here to chrome and select that. Now it just has a chrome overlay. So we need to go back to that tab, go all the way to the bottom, and there should be something called physical properties. Hit that. Now right here you have a drop down that says default. Okay, you don't want that. You want to go down to stainless steel. Now I say stainless steel, and there's stainless steel 440C and a whole bunch of other steel. Stainless steel is the easiest to go with, and it usually won't get you in trouble part wise. So now that that's done, we have to save this. So we'll go to the inventor start button and save as. Now because we made that project folder, we're already in that folder. We don't have to look for it. So now all we have to do is name it. And I'm going to name it ball. Okay, you name it whatever you want. If you have a part number or something, you can name it that. And then hit save. Okay, we're now done with this part. Now, I don't know how much time I have left. I got plenty of time. Alright. After you create a part, people need to know what it looks like. So we're going to hit new. I'm going to go to standard IDW. And that stands for an inventor drawing. We're going to hit OK. And basically what it's going to do is it is going to draw a two-dimensional ball for us. Or in a sense, it will do it for us. We just have to let it load the drawing. And here's your drawing sheet. Now, over here where it says drawing sheet or sheet 1, we want to right click that and hit edit sheet. Now you don't have to if you don't want to. I just prefer doing a portrait, and I'm going to do A, but I want it to stay a portrait, and we hit OK. Now I'm going to go up to base. Now for some reason it didn't select our ball for us, so we'll select it there. Now we can't have a 5:1. I think that's just a little too big. Let's see what a 4 looks like. 4 is perfect. We'll select the base point. I'm going to bring it up and bring it diagonally over. I'm going to hit create. Now what I want to do is I want to come over here and hit a section. Okay. I'm going to select this circle. I'm going to select the bottom point to the top point. And we'll right click and hit continue. Then I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to totally ignore this box right here. I'm going to bring this over about the same distance that this one up here is. Now if I don't like how close this lettering is to the title box, all I gotta do is grab here, move it up. Grab this box and move it up. Move this over. Move it over a little bit more. And we're good to go. Now the reason this is here is this is the three-dimensional or isometric view. It shows the part in a 3D manner so that the people looking at this know what they're looking at. Now with a ball, it's kind of hard and almost useless to have that, but it's good practice to have it anyway. Now we're not entirely done. What we need to do is we need to go to the annotate ribbon and we need to hit dimension. Okay, we're going to go to this section view and we're going to dimension it. We're going to hit OK, and that's going to tell them that this ball here, if they were to cut it in half, the circle would have a diameter of 0.45 inches. Okay, now all that's left is for you to fill out the title box. Now it's already got my name and the date, and yours probably should too. It just needs the part number, who checked it, who approved it, and anything else that your business or you require. But for my purposes, I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to save it ball IDW, so I know that it's a drawing. Hit save, and I'm done. So this was just a tutorial on the ball for a ball bearing. In the next two videos, I'll be doing the outer ring and the inner ring for the ball bearing. Those are slightly more complicated, but they're still very easy to draw. I hope to see you guys there.